The selling price of 13 articles is same as the cost price of 23 articles. What is the profit percentage? Okay, so it's quite simple. We will form a very simple equation from the given data. Selling price of 13 articles. So we can write it down as 13 into SP is, which is replaced by equal to cost price of 23 articles. That means 23 into CP. So now we can have the fraction as 13 upon 23 is equal to Cp upon Sp. So we can assume the cost price is 13 and selling price is 23. Hence, we get profit as 10. Hence, profit percentage becomes 10 upon cost price, which is 13 into 100. Hence, our answer comes as 76.92%. The ratio of prices of Cello and Rotomac pens in 2000 were in the ratio 3:5. In 2005, the price of Cello pen triples itself and the price of Rotomac pen is increased by rupees 100. Then the new ratio of the prices of the same pens become 4:5. What was the original price of the Rotomac pen in 2000? Okay. Now let's assume the prices in 2000 as 3x and 5x, as the ratio given is 3:5. Now, in 2005, the cello pen triples itself. That means it gets multiplied by 3. And the price of Rotomac pen is increased by 100. So, with the price which was 5x initially, it gets increased by 100. And this new ratio is given to us as 4:5. So, this is the very simple equation which we get. Now, we can cross multiply. This is 9x. So 9x into 5, we get 45x is equal to 20x plus 400. Okay. So solving this, we get 25x is equal to 400. Now we have to find the original price of Rotomac pen in 2000. Rotomac pen, our assumption was 5x. Now 25x is equal to 400. Hence 5x will be 80. We can easily find it out. 25x divided by 5, we get 5x, and 400, we will also have to divide by 5, we get 80. So that's your answer. A certain job was assigned to a group of men to do in 20 days, but 12 men did not turn up for the job, and the remaining men did the job in 32 days. The original number of men in the group was. Now, let's assume the original number of men in the group is X. Now, they were supposed to do the job in 20 days. That means basically 20x man days are required to complete the job. Now, as the same job is being done by the remaining people, we can equate this equation. Now, originally X men were supposed to work, but 12 men did not turn up. Therefore, the number of working men becomes X minus 12. And the number of days required for them is given to us as 32. So we get a very simple equation like this. Now we can solve this. 4 5s are 4 8s are. So solving it further, 5x is equal to 8x minus 96. So we get here 3x equal to 96. That means x is equal to 32 days. 32 number of men. That's what is asked. Walking at 3/4 of her normal speed, Malleshwari takes 2 hours more than the normal time. What is the normal time? Now we will solve this by two methods. First of all, we will have to understand the relationship between speed and time. it is inversely proportional. Hence, as the speed is 3/4, the time becomes inverse. Therefore, 4/3 of normal time. Okay. So now we can get a very simple equation from this thing. 4/3 t minus t is equal to 2 hours. What we have done is, this is today's time minus normal time, we get 2 hours. So solving this, we get the answer as t is equal to 6 hours. Very simple. Now another way of solving this is 3/4 of normal speed. So you can write it down directly like this: 3/4 is equal to, now on the right hand side, t upon t plus 2. Now you can cross multiply, you get here 3t plus 6 is equal to 4t. From this way as well, we get the answer as t is equal to 6 hours. Find the number of diagonals in a decagon. Decagon, that means number of sides is equal to 10. Now there are two formulas for finding out number of diagonals. The first formula is nc2 minus n. Now here n is 10. So substituting the value, we get 10 into 9 upon 2 minus 10. So here you get 45 minus 10, that is 35, which is our answer. Now another formula which you can use is n into n minus 3 upon 2. So 10 into 7 upon 2. By this formula as well, you get the answer as 35. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I hope you understood the solutions to each question. Solve the Enigma daily quiz and share it with your friends as well. Thank you.